So it is raining here in Australia, and I've just been tinkering in the garage. I'm working on my T800 Terminator arm. I think that'll be a really cool project, and this actually printed with no supports, and it came out really nice. That's in just a yellow filament, and you can see had a little bit of a color change, but that was because I was printing in PLA black. But the good thing about running out of filament is you can always use the leftover spools to your advantage. So I've got a 30-meter extension cord here, and it actually fits perfectly wrapped up on the spool. So if anyone's got these leftover spools, don't throw them away. They come in super handy for extension cords and, you know, rope, chain, anything of that nature. And yeah, so now what you can do is you can also 3D print a little holder and place that on your wall. Keeps it super organized and costs nothing as well. So there's a little DIY life hack. Don't throw away your spools.